Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal to lower cholesterol. Start by choosing plain rolled oats and filter or boil water to the package ratio. Use a small saucepan, bring liquid to a simmer, and stir in oats until creamy. Add soluble fiber boosters and healthy fats for flavor. I will guide you through ingredient swaps and portion tips so you can make a heart-smart breakfast easily at home. Start with good ingredients that work together to lower cholesterol. Plain rolled oats provide beta-glucan, the key soluble fiber. Ground flaxseed or chia adds more soluble fiber and omega-3s that support heart health. Fresh berries give antioxidants and natural sweetness without added sugars, while a few nuts add healthy fats and texture. I'll show simple swaps and exact portions so you get consistent, tasty results every morning. Choose a cooking method that fits your routine and taste. Stovetop gives the creamiest result. Simmer oats with water or milk and stir until desired thickness. Microwave works for busy mornings. Use a microwave-safe bowl and monitor for boiling over. Overnight oats are perfect for planning ahead. Mix oats with milk or yogurt, add seeds, and refrigerate overnight. Each method preserves soluble fiber when you avoid excessive sweeteners or heavy toppings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.